Welcome to the StatTree video module for Ordinal charts. After collecting and scoring your data, the next task is visualizing your data with a chart. How you visualize Ordinal data depends upon how it was scored. This video will cover just the Ordinal variables, such as any ranking variables on your survey. You will need 3 Ordinal variables for this demonstration. In looking at the Preferred Entertainment Viewing Survey, Question 1, Ranking Show Preference, is ordinal with 3 nominal values: drama, action, and comedy. Although this example represents only one survey item, the data collected from this item was scored into 3 different variables. See the video demonstration of this procedure in Ordinal data summaries in the text in StatTree. To generate charts for variables in Spider, type in the following Python code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree module. For Ordinal data stacked bar charts involving 2 or more variables, data will need to be reshaped from wide format to long format into a new data frame. A video demonstration of this reshape procedure can be found in StatTree Help. If you've already saved your code, press on the File Open icon above the editor pane. Browse to the location of the Python script, then press Open. Select the lines of code to be run, then press the Run Selected icon. Python will generate an output in the plot window with the requested charts. To see what this output looks like, press the Output button on the sending page from the StatTree module.